The next step is to learn about the main reasons people subscribe to newsletters. Now, let's come back to the 5 main reasons why customers should subscribe to your mail list. One of the most important reasons is to get some additional value. It can be monetary and free content. The most common way to influence people to subscribe to your mailing list is to offer them discounts. For example, register, leave an email and get $5 of your first purchase. Free content such as videos, books, and checklists is another great way to get people to subscribe to your mailing list. Free content should be placed on your website by using pop-ups on various pages of your site. The pop-ups should trigger when a person wants to leave your site or close a page. Offer the user free content like an ebook in exchange for their email. Try to make the ebook match what the client is interested in. The second reason why customers subscribe to your emails is to be a part of a community. I found an example of a website for young mothers and future parents. This is a great example of a young mothers community, a website named Motherly. On this website you can find all the necessary information about how to go through pregnancy, keep healthy, communicate with kids, and how to educate them. There will be advice from some top influencers and opinion leaders about how to make your children happy, healthy, etc. You can read useful articles on the website, but also you have the ability to subscribe to newsletters. Motherly offers its users a reason to sign up to receive the website's newsletter. This website publishes a lot of content every day. To get all of this information, all you have to do is subscribe to their newsletter. Another example is Mothers.com. Mothers.com is a huge SEO community that creates a lot of valuable content for people who struggle with search engine optimization. There are blogs, articles, videos, audio, podcasts, etc. To get all this content in your mailbox, you just need to subscribe with the most blog daily email updates. This is your exclusive digest of the information you don't always have time to hunt down, but definitely want to read. So those were some examples of why people would subscribe to the community. They want to get some additional value, they want to communicate, etc. The third reason people sign up for newsletters is to get information about offline or online events. Some companies have such products and services that require them to communicate through online and offline events. During events, you educate your customers about the products or services of your company. It can be used both for B2C and B2B companies. It is a great content marketing strategy tool. Event marketing is arguably the best tool when it comes to gathering subscribers. We at the Promo Agency collect emails from people when they register for online conferences, webinars, free seminars, and courses. Each of these categories counts as a separate segment of the mailing list. Here is an example from eMarketer. As you can see, there is an email inviting subscribers to register for a webinar. Having attended an event of a certain category, a person most likely wants to study this topic further. Suppose you build your communication correctly by sending him useful and interesting content. In that case, you can turn him, if not into a paying customer, into a loyal follower who will recommend you to all their friends and acquaintances. The fourth reason why your customers subscribe is to benefit from a loyalty program where they can receive bonuses, subscriber-only sales, coupons, etc. And the last reason is to get updates. Staying updated on which items are in stock and other information is important to people. Updates can even contain news about upcoming products. So guys, we just went over the 5 reasons why customers subscribe to newsletters. The first is additional value. People find relevant information about their topics useful. The second is to feel part of a community. Communities can be different. They can be Facebook groups, YouTube channels, chats, etc. You can implement email marketing on all of these platforms. The third reason is offline and online events. These events can be used for B2B and B2C audiences. You can use events to present your new products or services, or educate customers and how to use them. The fourth reason is loyalty programs. As we discussed, people love to save money. In exchange for someone's contact information, offer them discounts or bonuses. And the last reason is to receive updates. Users will almost always want to stay updated on relevant topics and products. So, You just learned why customers subscribe. Let's move on to the next topic. Okay, let's pause for a second. Please message me about how I can make my course better. You can write a personal message to me or express your concerns in the Q&A section.